Hi, I'm Lee.
And I'm Rebecca. We're the owners of Meadowbrook Travel. First, we want to thank you for your interest in joining our award-winning agency. We started Meadowbrook Travel after being in jobs where we saw too many people not take vacations because either they were too busy or they simply didn't know where to start.
Being a travel agent is so rewarding. You literally get to help people make memories with family and friends. But it is also hard work. We are looking for agents who want to provide a high level of customer service to their clients. Agents who want to keep learning, either about the destinations they already know, or maybe expand into new areas. Don't worry though, we will be there to help you reach your goals. We have taken travel agent courses and become a certified travel agency with Wanderlust Campus.
There are costs with any business, and your business with Meadowbrook Travel is no different, whether it's time, energy, money, or all three. During your interview, we'll discuss our initial licensing and ongoing fees. These fees cover everything you need to run your business. This includes a professional email address, your name at meadowbrooktravel.com, and Microsoft Office products, including a personal website for clients to schedule calls directly with you. It includes access to all of our suppliers and our travel consortia, Travel Leaders Network, which has even more training, marketing materials, and the potential for enhanced commissions. We will also add you to our company's E&O insurance, and you will be eligible to get a personal Florida Seller of Travel license under our agency. Lastly, it will cover your license to our software system, Turn. Turn is a customer management tool so you can keep track of all of your clients. It is an itinerary builder so you can make beautiful proposals for the trips you are planning. And it has a way to securely take payment authorizations so you can stay compliant with all the current laws and regulations.
We love what we do. Seeing pictures of clients' travels, reading their reviews, or seeing their posts on social media reminds you that every day you are making a positive impact on other people's lives. If you are excited to start your travel business with us, please complete the application on our website. We would love to chat.